Hey everyone, how is it going? Today I'm going to show you how to fix a printer that's not being detected on Windows 11 or Windows 10. Don't worry, this problem is usually very easy to fix. So let's get started. First, make sure your printer is powered on and properly connected to your computer. If you're using a USB printer, unplug the cable and plug it back in. If you're using Wi-Fi printer, then make sure it's connected to the same network as your PC. If everything looks fine, let's move to the first fix. Simply open your settings, then simply select Bluetooth and devices, then simply click on printers and scanners. Click on add device, wait a few seconds and see if the windows detect your printer. Still not showing up, then we will going to move for the second fix. Simply press in your keyboard Windows plus R, then type here services .msc and then click enter, and then here we're going to search for print spooler. Here it is. Here is the print spooler, as you can see. Then click on restart, and this service manages all printing tasks in Windows. And now check if your printer appears. If the problem still isn't fixed, let's try the third solution. Right click into your start button and simply open device manager. Look for your printer and then come over into system devices, and from here if you find out the printer, then if you see a yellow warning icon, then right click in the printer and select like this one and update the driver. Basically you're going to find out printer or other devices. If you find out there, then you can simply open it, but normally it's coming over into system devices. From there also you can do that. Then simply close everything and now simply restart your PC. And one final tip, just simply open settings or into Windows Update. Into the Windows Update, run Windows Update and install any available updates. Many printer detection problems are fixed through updated drivers and system patches. And that's it. Your printer should now be detected and ready to use. Thanks for watching until the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and let me know into the comment section which fix worked for you. If your printer is still not being detected, tell me what model you're using and I will try to help. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.